Hello everyone, welcome to our second video in the series of 3 videos for this topic on comparing decimals. In this video we will explore number patterns. And like what we did in the first video, before we start looking at it in terms of decimals, let's look at it in terms of whole numbers. So look at the number pattern below. Tell me what are the next two numbers. I think you should know that the increase from one number to the other is a plus 5. And so number patterns, they repeat itself. That's why it's called a pattern. So the next two numbers are actually 30 and 35. So you know all about this already, and I hope that you will remember this concept because it is exactly the same when it comes to decimal number patterns. Let's explore number patterns for tenth. Look at the number pattern below. What are the next two numbers? I have 0.2, 0.4, 0.6. What is the increase for each of them? It will be 0.02. Okay, 0.02. So you know that the number patterns will repeat itself. So if this is 0.6, this would be 0.8, and then this would be 1.0. So I'm increasing by 2/10 for each step. Let's look at the next number pattern. I have this set of numbers, 1.15, 1.17, 1.19. What are the next two numbers? Looking at this pattern, I can tell that I am increasing by 0.02 for each step. So each step I'm increasing by 2/100. So that will tell me that the next two numbers, if this is 1.19, this is 1.19, the next two numbers will be 1.21 and 1.23, increasing by 2/100. So now let's do it together. Please take out your worksheet. You will need to follow along. You only need to copy down this number pattern. Okay, you don't have to copy down the entire question. So I have 0.3, 0.6, 0.9. What is the pattern that we see here? So from 0.3 to 0.6, it's an addition of 0.3. Same thing here. It's an increase or a jump by 3/10. So if I continue on with this pattern, after 0.9, if I increase it by 3/10, it will get 1.2. And if I increase that by another 3/10, I will get 1.5. Okay? So now you try, come on. It's gonna be easy, it's gonna be fun. 2.19, 2.17, 2.15. What are the next two numbers? Again, just copy down this number pattern. You can pause the video to try it on your own. Good luck. There, it's not too hard. So first you should notice that the numbers are getting smaller. So this is a decreasing pattern. But no difference. Let's try it. 2.19 to 2.17, it is a decrease of 0.02. And likewise, 2.17 to 2.15 is also a decrease of 0.02. So that means that from 2.15 down to the next number, it's a decrease of 0.02. So 2.15, I move down by 0.02 or 2/100. That will give me 2.13. And then the next number will be 2.11. There, easy, right? So we've come to the end of the second video. In the third video, we're going to explore comparing greater than, less than. See you then.